I would like first, of course, to thank the city of Rimini and the region, because we could not choose a better place. We have all the big champions, we have all the big manufacturers. I would like to call on stage the Motocross Commission President, Antonio Alia Portela.
The FIM Motocross World Championship.
With pole and 2 wins in the Sansa Vanta in Finland, the FIM 85cc Junior Motocross World Champion from the Netherlands, it's Gian Dunsen.
Yeah, I think just amazing, because I worked all my life to get there, to get this medal and to get the championship. So yeah, it's amazing to have it now.
And competing Dutch dominance in that same event at the end of August, the FIM 125cc Junior Motocross World Champion is Ivano van Erp.
When I enjoyed the most was for sure on the World Championship, the last lap, that I knew that I had become the new Junior World Championship EMX 125. So yeah, that was the most funniest lap of my whole career for this moment. Yeah.
And after a winner-takes-all final race showdown in Turkey, the FIM MX2 Motocross World Champion for the second time is Tom Viale.
3 words to describe your season, which ones would they be?
Hard, mental, and long season.
The FIM Women's Motocross World Champion from the Netherlands, it's Nancy van der Ven. Antonio.
Ian won the first moto by 16 seconds, and the second by over 31 seconds to take the title in style this year. Ivano won the 65cc version of this title 5 years ago, aged just 12, and he's still only 17 years of age. Tom is the son of the French 90s motocross star Frédéric, and he scored 29 podiums with 17 wins from 36 races this year. Nancy was runner-up in 2016 and again for 4 straight years from 2018 until 2021.
I think the difference that I made this year was to really more enjoy racing and not to focus too much on my positions. That was becoming world champion for already many years. And I just saw how beautiful the sport was, and my passion even grew more because I enjoyed it, and I think the better results started coming after I put my focus on having fun and enjoy it instead of only the results.
Well, all the dedication paid off. Congratulations, Nancy.
Thank you, Nancy, and thank you to our motocross champions. Time now for our final winners in the teams category, the historic and highly prestigious FIM Motocross of Nations.
On home soil at Redbud, and with a stellar team comprising Eli Tomek, Chase Sexton and Justin Cooper, ending a decade of European dominance, the FIM Motocross of Nations are Team USA. USA are represented by the President of the Federation, Rob Dickman. Welcome, Mr. President.
USA hadn't won since 2011, but this is title number 22 in 2022. France, winners of the competition from 2014 to 2018, raced to second ahead of Australia.
Congratulations once again, and thank you to Rob.
Now, our next Ultimate Champion was also dethroned in 2021, but roared back in 22 to re-establish himself as the man to beat once again in the FIM MXGP World Championship.
Yeah, out of the 18 World Championship rounds held this year, he emerged triumphant in 10, with a fantastic 14 moto wins, carrying him to an eventual winning margin of 106 points over his nearest rival. For the fourth time, he is the FIM MXGP World Champion from Slovenia, Tim Geiser.
So Tim, I have no special question for you. You dominated so easily this year, huh?
It's never easy.
But this year was incredible. But you think next year it will not be so easy, I think, huh?
Like I say, it's never easy to win a title. Yeah, this year was a great year for me. You know, winning so many GPs, so many races, and on the end winning my 5th world title. Next year is a new year. Everybody starts from zero. Definitely, it's going to be not easy, but I will give my best.
You know what? It's going to be very difficult. You know why?
Why?
You are going to race in Vietnam.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't even know that.
So the next World Championship in motocross will go to amazing places. But I'm sure you even going to Vietnam, you can win, right?
Great. I'm really looking forward.
Okay.
It's been a brilliant year for Tim Geiser.
Already a 5-time world champion across the top classes. HRC's most successful rider ever in motocross as well. What a legend he's already turning into.